Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Reggae boy defender Richard King has arrived at St Mirren in Scotland after agreeing a 2-year deal with the Saints. The former Cavalier player has signed a deal until the summer of 2027, with the club holding an option to extend for a further year. King's deal with St Mirren is worth approximately £250,000. His arrival at St Mirren was initially delayed due to visa issues, which have now been sorted out. King, who played for Jamaica at the recent CONCACAF Gold Cup, spent 4 seasons with Cavalier, dating back to 2021. The 23-year-old former Clarendon College standout helped Cavalier win the Jamaica Premier League title in 2021, as well as the 2023-2024 and 2024-2025 seasons. Cavaliers' other national Premier League title was won in the 1980-81 season. Spencer Whittingham of Citrad is confident that the lights at Sabina Park will be ready despite workmen being in full preparation mode ahead of the start of the historic pink ball test between the West Indies and Australia starting on Saturday. This will be the first day-night test held at Sabina Park.
I would have rather had the final test last week, but we're working with the time we're given here, and after people still need to be coming in, and West Indies and Australia are both going to be testing here this week. It's going to get in the way of our work schedule here, so we just have to work around that, but we're definitely on track to finish up everything, hopefully by Thursday evening, if not by Friday night for sure.
So unique is the process that a member of the Jamaica Defence Force was brought in to guard the specialized equipment needed to get the job done.
So we have a very high quality laser that is up on the tower right now, and one by one we attach the laser to each light individually, and the laser will aim at a specific cone on the field here to make sure that it's oriented in the right direction.
And with Sabina Park not only being a cricket venue, the new adjustments should be able to suit all events.
We know the challenges that they were having here at Sabina Park with the dark areas. Another issue is that they constantly host football matches here, and they were individually adjusting the lights to suit the football field as opposed to the cricket field. So sometimes when they're going back to the cricket matches, the lights are not set back in the way they need to be, and they're not having what they're needing. What we're going to provide for them, they're going to be good for cricket, football, anything they want to do here, they'll be good.
Meanwhile, it's a similar situation for the newly installed scoreboard, which are not yet fully operational at Sabina Park. The new board is a gift from the Indian government to Jamaica. However, according to project manager Prabhat Kumar, work is expected to be completed in the next 2 days.
We are working on it, so it is in the final phase. The connections of power and everything is going on. So tomorrow we'll be doing the networking of the 2 displays, and day after tomorrow it will be live.
And that is it for your Midday Sports Roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
And that's the Midday News package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.